Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are well. Today I will paint an empty liqueur bottle plus a bonus surprise DIY at the end of the video. So watch the video till the end. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe, it really motivates me. Hence without delay, let's start the video. First I will paint the bottle with white acrylic color. As the white paint dries, I draw a figure. Now I fill it with paint. Here I am doing abstract art. The speciality of abstract art is that anyone can do this art in any way. You can connect with me via Instagram. I will put the link in the description. But what's the need to go so far? Comment below in this video and let me know which part of the video you liked. I'm using expired eyeliner for the outline. I am adding small details, it will enhance its beauty. This is the final look. I kept it simple on purpose. I think it looks really nice that way. If you think I should do more detail, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely follow your tips. But I think it's magnificent. So as I promised, I will show an additional DIY. Now I am sharing with you the trending butterfly bookmark. Trust me, it will be beautiful. First take a piece of cottage paper, draw two perpendicular lines. Draw half wings of butterfly of equal shape on both ends of the lines. Add details to make it more realistic. Everyone can't have acrylic colors, but many students may have this highlighter pencil. Bas, our trending butterfly bookmark is ready. Thanks to everyone for giving their valuable time. If you like the video, please like it, share it with your best friends so that my small channel can grow up. So today's video ends here. See you in the next video.